Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen again. Today we are going to be making minced meat and rice. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. My name is Jewel Obed. I'm a psychology student and I'm passionate about cooking, so I share different recipes that I create in my kitchen. Thank you so much for engaging with my previous video. I hope you like this one as well. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the video. First things first, we are going to peel our carrots, and these carrots will be used in the rice. So you're going to peel them and grate them. We are grating them so that it has a smooth consistency in the rice. Then I measured my rice. I just used 1 cup. I washed it and then measured 2 cups of water, which was hot. I had boiled it in the heater. I added salt and cooking oil, and then I added the carrots and stirred. Finally, I covered it. This is the ingredients for the minced meat. I used dania, hoho, 2 tomatoes, an onion, and garlic. Here I'm in the process of preparing the ingredients, just basically cutting up the ingredients that we'll be using today. At this point our rice is ready, as you can see, and it looks so yummy. Then I went to the minced meat. What you want to do is to just put it on a pan or your sauce, your sufuria, and you want to stir and stir until it's no longer reddish, until it's brown. That is to show you that it's now ready to start putting in ingredients. At this point it has changed the color, so it's ready to put the ingredients. I started with the onions, and also make sure you put some cooking oil so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Then you just stir. After you put the onions, you stir until you see the onions have started changing color. Then I added garlic, and I just continued to stir. There I added some water because some of it was starting to burn and stick on the pan, so you can add some bit of water. Then I added the hoho or bell pepper. Then I continued to stir. After adding the bell pepper, it's now time to add the spices. Personally, I use curry powder, mixed spices, and soy sauce. I added a teaspoon of each. Then I added soy sauce. Then I stirred, and at this point I think you can see that the color is starting to come out. Like you can see, it's starting to look yummy because of the spices that I've added. Also, don't forget to add salt. Then after that, I added my blended tomatoes and I continued to stir. And finally, I added dania. Then at this point, I allowed it to simmer under low heat while I continued to mix it. And I think you can also notice that I added some bit of water just for some soup, but not so much. Then I added some salt to taste, and that is what it looked like at the end. It was so yummy.